Hello YouTube, long time no speak. I've changed garages. My garage has got a lot smaller because we moved house a while ago, and I've also grown this weird nose giblet thing so it isn't snot hanging out my nose. It's like I don't know what it is. I call it my giblet. Anyway, I thought I'd do a little YouTube video, so bear with me and we'll go through something I think is pretty cool. So basically what this video is about is me and the brother-in-law go riding a lot now, and I like to clean my bike when I'm at trail centres while I'm there. So I'm not taking the mud home with me so they don't run out of mud, and I figured out a little technique or a way to do it so you can both keep filling up with water when you've got one of these cordless pressure washers. So this is it basically, two tubs, one inside the other. And the reason I've got two is someone can be filling one tub while the other one's using the other tub. And I've got my works pressure washer and my brushes and that and my pipe all in one. And that's it basically. So you have one T-man, our brother-in-law will be filling this one while I'm using that one, and as he walks back from the river or whatever, that one's pretty much done. And they swap over, so if you have two buckets you can just keep the water going if you haven't got a tap or whatever, which I think is pretty cool. And I figured out, get all your bits fit in here apart from the washer, sort together nice like that, and I put some holes in the lid so that keeps everything dry, or it slowly dries out rather than just go and manky the water in it. Top garage mid tip or what? Thanks very much and we'll see you again. See you just now.